Page number 37 of chapter number 3, creating and managing tables in MS Word. In this interactive video session of module 4, we are going to learn about how to format the created table. In our previous lesson, we had learned how to create the table in MS Word 2013 and the different characteristics of table such as the column, the row, the cell, etc. we had discussed in detail. Now the matter of concern is to how to format or how to modify the table, the created table in MS Word 2013. I hope you have the prior knowledge for creating the table in MS Word 2013. Now the question is, can we format or modify the created table in MS Word 2013? Answer is yes. After creating the table, we can easily format the table. Now the question is, what is the meaning of doing format or doing modification in the table of MS Word 2013? The modification or formatting in the table of MS Word 2013 is generally meant by, number one, either by applying the different styles in the created table. Number two, either by changing the row height in the created MS Word 2013 table, or by changing the column height of the table, or by applying the borders and the shading. These are the four different applications that this can be done in form of format against the creating table in MS Word 2013. Now we are going to discuss in detail about how to apply different styles, or how to change the row height and how to change the column height and how to apply the borders and shading individually. First, I would like to state the format in form of table styles. By applying table styles, we can format the table in MS Word 2013, and in order to apply the different styles in the table, we need to follow different steps, such as first we have to click or select anywhere in the table where we want to make the format in the table. After selecting the place in the table, we have to click the design tab. This is the design tab. After selecting the area or the place in the table, we have to click this design tab. This design tab comes under the table tools. After clicking the design tab, there is the table style group, and in this table style groups, we can select or click the style, any style that we want to add in the table, and this is called the formatting table. Either we can choose this style of table, or this one, any one as you wish. In the third step, to see more styles, we have another option. We have another option for enabling more options for making choose of styles. And in order to have more options, we have to go for the more option button This is called the more option button, and we have to click this more option button in order to avail more styles to format the table. Now after selecting this more option button for choosing the more styles, a gallery of different available styles is appeared. When more option button is clicked, the gallery of different available styles is appeared, and as we move the mouse pointer over the table style, the word displays how the table would look like. And eventually we have to click the desired table style that we want to have in the format of table, and the word will format automatically the table as per the selected style. This is how, by following these different steps, we can make the format or modification in the tables of MS Word 2013. Now the second type of format is called changing row height. By changing row height, we can also make format in the table of MS Word 2013. And in order to change, or in order to bring the change in the row height of the table in MS Word 2013, once again we have to follow some steps. Number one, first we have to select or click anywhere in the row of the table whose height we are going to change. Then we have to click the layout tab. This is the layout tab, and for changing the row height we have to click this layout tab. After selecting or clicking the desired place in the row whose height we are going to change, or we want to change, when this layout tab is clicked, we will see the cell size group in this format, in this way. This is the cell size group under the layout tab, and in this cell size group we have to click the table row height spin box. The table row height spin box, this is the table row height spin box. We have to select this one in order to change the height of the row of the table. Similarly, we can also change the column height of the table, and the steps we need to follow. Number one is, once again we have to select or click the column of the table where we want to make change in the height of the table, and then we have to click same again the page layout tab, and under this tab we will once again see the cell size group, and in this cell size group we have to click the table column height. This is the table column height spin box for changing the height of the table. This is how we can change the row height as well as the column height of the table, and these two are called the process of doing format in the table of MS Word 2013. I hope this video is very much helpful for understanding about how to format the table. In this video we have discussed already 3 different formats: table styles, changing row height, and changing column height. In our next video, in the module 5, we will discuss about how to apply the borders and the shades in the table, and we will discuss cell alignment thereafter. Thanks for watching this video.